Welcome to the ACCA SBL September 25 Preseen. So in this lecture, I'm going to be sharing with you my key weapon or the key exam technique that you can use for this case in your answer. Now, just a kind reminder that all of our Preseen lectures are fully updated into 8 sections into 4 hours in total. So after you enroll in the course, not only that you can get these notes, 134 pages, Preseen application notes, as you can see on screen, they're fully adapting to the manual crafts business with the syllabus knowledge of how we tackle the syllabus area for the last minute of your revision. Okay, but also you can go through lectures and we provide 7/24 tutor support anyway. Now, let's begin. The approach that we are going to be using in constructing the answer, I will highly recommend you to follow the step 1, 2, and 3. Firstly, very importantly, you will need to get the frameworks right. So what that means is, if you're asked about the differences between business case and project initiation documents, don't tell me about the post-review of the project importance. Don't tell me about the conflict of that. Don't tell me about the PESTEL analysis. You will need to get the direction right. But simply getting a direction right will not automatically give you marks, because this paper, the examiner said that it's more of the applicable exam. So this means that you will need to demonstrate your insight. The best way from my perspective, of course, is to take evidence from the exhibit information. So when you plan the exam question, I will highly recommend you to read the question first and to pick up different nouns as a starting point. When you read it for the second time, of course, it's time to plan your answer. Now, my approach to plan the answer will certainly be 2 marks per point. And within each point, 2 sentences in there. And I will tell my students to use one of these conjunction words in each of your points, at least one. For example, it's likely that because it suggests, this means that. And of course, some students may insert 2 conjunction words into a single point. That's good. No problem for that whatsoever. Because if you slot these words, it will automatically force you to come up with reasonable arguments and try your best to combine your thoughts with the exhibit information on the exam day. But some students may say that when they were practicing the past exam questions, they may find that the exhibit information or the unseen information on the exam day may not contain enough information for you to relate your answer to. So if that's the case, then I would highly recommend you to go back to the Preseen. Some things that you can always say in your answer will be coming from the website extract on your left-hand side of your Preseen material, just to pick up the adjective from there. So for example, healthy, where not the decisions that you are going to be doing would meet with the mission, i.e. make healthy home cooking simple. And of course, sustainable, you will need to think about that. And respect, accountability, honesty. Now, if you can say that, well, I'm going to be doing something, a new project or new decision, where not it meets with one of them. If that's the case, of course, that's suitable. Now, just a final word. I always say to my students that in your answer, don't simply tell the examining team that, well, this is good, well, this is bad, well, this is not good. Don't say that. because you will need to give an argument. You need to give a reason to support your answer. So if I were you, I would say that this is not recommended because it is not sustainable. Rather than saying this is not good, but now I'm more specific and applying my answer to the case. And this will give you higher marks. I hope this section helps. And of course, that I look forward to your exam success very soon then. Bye.
APC, accounting for your future.